Most homes have at least one of these, usually under the sink, sometimes by the plants, almost invisible until you need it. This is the spray bottle. At its core, it solves a very small, everyday problem. How do you spread a little bit of liquid evenly without wasting it? Before spray bottles, people poured or dipped cloths into buckets or sprinkled liquid by hand. It worked, but it was messy, slow, and inconsistent. The idea of spraying liquid into a fine mist goes back centuries. Early perfume atomizers appeared in the 1800s. They used bulbs or hand pumps to push air through liquid, breaking it into tiny droplets. But those early designs were fragile and expensive. They weren't built for kitchens, garages, or gardens. They were delicate objects, not everyday tools. That changed in the mid-20th century. After World War II, plastic became cheap and widely available. Manufacturers could suddenly mold complex shapes that were light, strong, and disposable. This made the modern spray bottle possible. Inside a typical spray bottle is a simple system. When you squeeze the trigger, a small pump pulls liquid up a tube. Valves stop it from flowing backward. Pressure then forces the liquid through a tiny nozzle. That nozzle is the key. Its narrow opening breaks liquid into droplets. Twist it one way, and you get a fine mist. Twist it another, and you get a focused stream. Same tool, different control. This design is efficient. It uses very little liquid. It gives precision over where that liquid goes, and it works the same way every time you pull the trigger. That reliability is why spray bottles spread everywhere. Cleaning products, hair care, plant care, cooking oils, even industrial chemicals, different uses, same basic form. The design barely changed because it didn't need to. The trigger fits the hand. The bottle stands upright. Clear plastic shows when it's running low. Even the long tube inside is angled to reach the last drops. Nothing about it is decorative. Everything is practical. And that's why the spray bottle lasted. It doesn't try to impress. It just quietly turns pressure into control. A small squeeze, a short pull, and a little bit of liquid goes exactly where it's needed. Every day. Without thinking. That's good design.